It's so dry. This plant is like dying. And the grass is brown. Everything's stressed. And I'm at swimming area, and you can see there's like grass right along there. That's never like that. I've never ever seen that. I'm 68 years old. I've never ever seen that in my life. It's usually covered with water. Oops, sorry. Finger in the way. There are people down here swimming, and so I want to be careful and not get anybody, but not many. Some of the plants are doing okay, but everything looks really dry. It makes me really sad because we grow a lot of food products around here, and I don't know how that's doing. Is this some kind of animal here? I'm just gonna leave it be. Is it a turtle? Oh my God, it's a turtle. I haven't seen one in forever. It's a turtle laying eggs, it looks like. Holy cow. I haven't seen that for years. It's effing amazing. That's really cool. All right, we'll leave you be, darling. Those things will bite your fingers off. Snapping turtle. Oh my God, I've never seen it look like this. This is so weird. Holy sh... Oh, a dragonfly. Wants to be on camera. Do I have it? Oh, it flew away. Oh my God, it has never, ever, 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 ever been like this. I've been coming here since I was a kid, on and off when I lived in Wisconsin. It's the most bizarre thing I've ever seen. Goes all the way. Kids have drowned here because even though they kept a rope out, they would, of course, swim over it. They can't even get in there. What else we got over here? Cattails look really thin. Red-winged blackbirds. And there's some flax. Oh, and the dragonflies are cool. Some of it's doing good. Some of these are jewelweed. These right here. You get these beautiful little orange flowers on them. You're doing good. But we're down by the water. The willow looks fine. Right here. Oh, there's a little cattail starting to come out. Right there. Yeah, you can see him. Well, at least there's a place for the birds to get some water. But I am in shock, actually. Quite in shock. Yeah, they sound pretty, don't they? Oh. And there's geese that are down here too. I don't know where they are right now, but you can see their footprints. They look like that. Somebody's thing. I'm not going to rescue that. Well, maybe I will. It should be in there. Oh. Okay. All right. I'll take that up. Put it somewhere before I leave. Oh, there's some other little flowers too. Oh, that's wonderful. It's nice that everything isn't dying. These kids you can hear talking while they're swimming. Okay, this is called Lions Beach. They used to dig in here to do gravel, and then they couldn't keep the waters out, so they turned it into a beach. Oh, and there's some geese. Let's see if I can get them. I can't see because the sun's in my eyes. There, that's cool. Okay. Oh, one more look. The sun doesn't look so... Sky doesn't look so hazy. It's got some stuff in it. And they say it might rain in a couple of days from now. I can hear some frogs out there. All right. There's a duck coming. Or something. Anyway, I am grateful for you and here at your service. A lot of stuff's probably loving all that stuff out there. Plenty of food for it to eat and drink. Plenty of water. Okay. Grateful for you and here at your service.